What's up, guys, and welcome to our room tour of cabin 2640 here on board Liberty of the Seas. This is a handicap accessible stateroom, an ocean view handicap accessible stateroom. We did not choose this room. We booked a ocean view guarantee with Royal Caribbean, and they have assigned us this room. So I'm excited to take you around and show you this unique room. Maybe you're handicap accessible, or one of your loved ones are, or maybe you've just gotten assigned this room just like us and you want to check it out. Come along, let me show you all the hidden features. Okay, so when you come in the room, this is the view that you're greeted to, minus a Peter, of course. So we come in and we've got the closets off to our right here. Now remember, this is a handicap accessible stateroom, okay? So the closet is definitely set up in a much different format. So we've got some shelves on the side here. You're safe down on that second to last shelf. Life jackets are going to be on the bottom there, and then they've got this contraption here, so this little pull handle, and it actually pulls down and then locks it in place, your top row of hangers there. So that way, if you were somebody in a wheelchair or scooter and you needed to access your clothes, you could do that. And then to send it back up, you just push that thing back up, and it is spring loaded and retracts back into the closet there. If you didn't want to do that, I'm imagining you could hang, well yeah, you certainly could hang on this bar here, or these in the back, these fold down so you could hang some items on those as well. Moving on over, you've got your desk area. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 drawers right over here. There's your hair dryer that you can use in the stateroom here. Looks like we've got the announcement channel volume, which I don't think is working because they were just making an announcement a minute ago. And then we've got a 230 volt here, and then you've got two 120 volt outlets over here on this side. These mirrors here, they do open up, so you can have some storage inside of there. Both sides do. There we go. Your waste bin down below, and you've got a nice chair to sit, and then mirror side of the other side, so another 4 drawers. I think this is the, room service menu, mini bar menu, right there in that drawer, so have a little hunt for that. Oh, look at this, Pete.
Oh, what's that? Oh, like a desk.
Yeah, but what's weird is it doesn't, come here. It doesn't go all the way. So, like, what is...
Oh, it's broken.
Oh, is it?
It's broken.
Oh, well, that's a bummer.
I don't think that's supposed to come up.
This is. You don't think?
I don't think so. Look, this looks like, look, there's like stuff hanging out.
Oh.
I don't know.
Huh. I don't know. We have a little mystery drawer here. Don't know what that does.
This whole room is a mystery.
Yeah. We have our mini fridge over here. Ours is, of course, empty. Let's see. And then you've got a nice flat screen Samsung TV. Look at that. Wow. Moving on up, Royal Caribbean. I know, right? I was thinking I was going crazy, but no, they are normally LG, aren't they?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so here's where the bedding location is now. Our bed has been made into a nice big king. We are not going to keep it like that, so we'll have them split those tonight and turn it into 2 twin beds, I guess it will be. But the room is very spacious. I don't know if I could give you like a good sizing of the room, but it is a very nice size room. I would say, dare I say, it's probably almost double the size of a normal cabin, right? Like width-wise and length, really. I mean, you've just got so much floor space here, and a nice big couch over there. Your thermostat right over here on the wall, so you can do it cooler or warmer. We're in the Caribbean and the Bahamas, so we're going to be on the cooler side of things. Your nightstands over here on either side, and if you are using this room for an actual handicap necessity, then they do have an emergency call button on either side of the bed for you, so you can stay nice and safe in case you have an emergency, need some help in here, anything like that, they've got you covered. No outlets on either side of the bed, which is a bit bummer, but I can't say that I'm too surprised. This ship is, the ship is not the newest ship in Royal Caribbean's fleet. It has been recently updated, I would say within the last 4 or 5 years, but not surprised they don't have USB outlets. Hopefully the next round of updates, they'll get those. And then moving into the bathroom. So the bathroom, there is no step. It is a total roll-in shower. We do have a curtain here for our shower, and then there's what you're looking at there. We've got a fold-out seat baby. Oh goodness, yeah, it's you gotta push that down a little bit, but there's your fold out seat for the shower. We've got both hair and body wash up top and down below. And then you've got the shower head above, or the wand here, the detachable wand that you could use. Either one, whichever you need, they've got it for you. Your, of course, restroom facilities. We've got another folding grab bar here if you needed to fold that down. And then a telephone in here, again, in case of emergency, you are covered there. Moving over to your sink area, there you go. We've got some deep counter space back here that you can put some things, and then the medicine cabinet obviously folds out. You've got 3 shelves there that you could use. And then, of course, the best part about this room is the ocean view. Well, in this case, it's parking lot view. But here in just a little bit, we'll have a nice ocean view out our window here. You can see embarkation is still in full swing. It is 1:45 p.m. They're still going strong out there. What time are we leaving, Pete? 4 o'clock today. So we've got a couple more hours until we set sail. This is a 3-night Bahamas cruise, so a nice quick getaway here on board the Liberty of the Seas. And this is our home for it. This again is cabin 2640. I got that right? Yeah, 2640 here on board Liberty of the Seas. If you're thinking about, you know, booking a guarantee stateroom, you may get this one. Or if you're in need of a handicap accessible stateroom, this one could be the one for you. I hope it is, and I hope you've enjoyed this video just as much as I've enjoyed sharing it with you. If you have, subscribe if you're new, and until then, my name is Josh. It's been real, it's been fun. This video has been real fun. We hope to see you on board the Liberty of the Seas. Bye-bye.